Based on our monthly survey of 27,000 businesses worldwide, global supply chains remained underutilized in November, with manufacturers continuing to hold back on purchasing as we head into 2026. North America saw the sharpest pullback. Input demand contracted further as manufacturers cut orders heading into the new year, pointing to a weaker start for the region's industrial economy. In Asia, supply chains also remained underused. Chinese factories reduced purchasing again, reflecting soft domestic and export demand. But there were pockets of resilience, especially across ASEAN economies like Indonesia and Vietnam. Across Europe and the UK, manufacturers remained cautious. Germany and France made deeper purchasing cutbacks, and spare capacity widened across the region. The UK showed signs of stabilizing, but demand remains fragile. The big picture. In the US, companies are watching the Supreme Court closely, with many expecting a pause or even rollback in tariffs. With excess capacity firmly in place worldwide, companies will face limited purchasing price pressure, with shortages and stockpiling historically low. It remains a buyer's market heading into 2026, giving procurement leaders real leverage to secure favorable terms. Visit gep.com/volatility to download the full report. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.